Yeah, if you don't take that rock guard off, it's going to tear up the rubber track. Typically when you're going from steel to rubber, it's kind of like a coin flip sometimes, you know, whether the tracks will stay on. When you're going from rubber to steel, totally different. It's, for the most part, fine. Best thing to do now is just to get a pry bar on the inside of that idler and then just roll it off, just turn the track. It should slip right off.
Ready? Yep. Hold on.
This is a young man's game.
Unfortunately. Hold on. Catches the rope. Yep.
Yeah, and the idler was going to be fitting perfectly too, so it's all looking good.
Did you put more grease in the gun?
Yeah, just bang it up now.
I did not put more grease, I was up there.